Hello guys, it's me. Today I'm gonna show you how to make simple application for kids, and kids can make it. So let's expand it, and it's called bedtime routine, like the list of the things you have to go before you go to bed, like little kids, what they're supposed to do before they go to bed. And here is a list, like clean the room, go on potty, take shower, brush teeth, put on your pajama, listen to the bedtime story, hugs and kisses and everything. And it can be a list of anything, maybe groceries you buy, items you need to do, whatever. And here are the checkboxes, and you check it. If you clean the room after you played, put the check, went on potty, and everything, like a reminder, or sometimes you need to check things. That's a game, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Code is actually very simple. So let's go file, new. Okay, and here you can see that my screen is a little bit different size, not the traditional one, and that's advantage that TurboWarp has, because in Scratch you cannot change the size of your working area, I mean the project size. And here you can change it. You can go to advanced and custom stage size. I made it along, like more vertical, like for cell phone or something, and I made it 300 width and 500 height. And let's close it, and you see it's nice and cozy. So let's go and upload our list. We go to little kitten and upload. Here you go, and we have it right out here. I need to make it a little bit bigger, maybe 130. Here you go, just nice cozy list. And you can draw it yourself, or you can get the picture of it. You can create it in Illustrator, or you can actually make it out here, just like normal sprite. Draw a little pajama, toothbrush, everything, whatever list you need. You can make it kitten and then paint, and you can make it. And here we have it, and now we need checkboxes. So I go to little kitten and I go to paint, and here I will choose black outline for my square, and I make a square like this. Maybe this one is a little bit too big, so I'll make it smaller. Also you can make it thinner, like outline, make it a bit thinner. Here you go, something like this. I put it like here, and I check if it works good for me. Clean room, check. Yeah, it looks good. And to check it, like to put the check mark like you did it, we should make a new costume. Like we'll go to this little kitten, and you see you can make costumes. Like each sprite might have different costumes. You can duplicate, right click and duplicate, like it has now 2 costumes. Or you can paint it, or you can upload anything. One sprite can have many costumes. So for my second costume, I'm gonna use line tool, and I'm gonna use green color for this purpose, a little bit darker and maybe a little bit thicker, and I just make like this. Oops, a little bit out, and here you go. I made lovely. So my sprite, this box, checkbox, has 2 costumes, costume 1 and costume 2. I just duplicate it. If you want to duplicate it, do right click on your mouse, and you do duplicate, and you will have the same one. So I duplicated and I created new one, and by default I need costume 1 like this, not checked. Okay, let's go to code, and for code I need to write when the sprite clicked, next costume. So check it out. I click it and it turns into next costume, on or off. You can make actually like you don't wanna do it, or you couldn't do it. Let's go and copy this one, duplicate and put it below. Maybe this one I will make like red cross, like I couldn't do it. Chuk. Oops, a little bit inaccurate. Yeah, something like this. So let's go and check. So first one, it's not ready yet. Second one is I did it, and third one I didn't do it. If you want it, I think like we don't need the third one, so let's delete it. Okay, and by default when you open this application or you start checking, it should be costume 1, like, you know, the first one. So when the game starts, let's go to looks and switch costume to costume 1. Here you go. Every time you click start the game, click green flag, it will be like empty. And I think that's it. We just need to duplicate it. Let's go to here below, right click, duplicate, 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 duplicate. Let's put it out here. Let's put it out here. Let's put it out here and here and here and here. Let's click it. You see, I'm gonna expand it. Bedtime routine. Let's check out, kids. What did you do? Did you clean your room? Yes, we did. Did you go on potty? Yes, we did. Did you take a shower? Pum, 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 pum. And you're ready to sleep. That's it. Sometimes you go to make groceries and you need to remember something to buy, so you can make a list for this. Any list is good if it has checkboxes, whatever. Let's start a new one. Yeah, it works. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, post it below. If you wanna have like a private lessons, materials, access to code, sign up, get in touch. See ya.